Where do you guys going? I probably will, or either I'll just go home. Get your hand out your mouth. He's messing around chewing on his hand. You're so silly. Give me that hand. Give me that hand. No chewing. He is like seriously following his hand everywhere because he wants to chew on it. We see you. Get them hands out your mouth. We don't want to see that crud. Yeah, press I just cut it off for a second. You gonna say hi to Daddy? Don't frown at me like your daddy be frowning. Oh my goodness, are you gonna wild in the machine? Huh? I see you, little man. Don't be beating up me in the phone. I gotta record you. Come on. Jump up and down for Daddy.
I tee you. I tee my man. I tee you. Ooh, Grandma tee her man. Yeah, her do too. Said, where's Eve? Tell her need to bring her butt in here so her can see me jump and make me cry. Say hi, TT. Say hi to TT. I tee you. Hi, New. Hey, New.
What's this nickname, New?
No, I just say I always say hi, New.
Okay.
In other words, like you. Hey, New. Hey. Say, Grandma, I'm tired today. Say,
Yeah, you done acted a fool, I heard. Mimi said he was screaming in the heat.
Yeah, it was.
You was screaming?
Say, Grandma, cause it. Eat her down.